How to add products from Temu to your Shopify store. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you step by step how to do so. Now the option that I'm going to show you is going to be for free, but you're going to be able to import 10 products from Temu. So let's just go ahead and get started. So first you will need to just go ahead and go to the Shopify App Store. So just go ahead and click on the apps section. Click on all recommended apps. Scroll down and click on Shopify App Store. From here, you simply just want to look up Dropship Man. And you should be able to find it right away. So just go and click on it. Make sure it's exactly the same one as this one. And click on Install. Go ahead and click on Install one more time. From here, you simply just want to select Product Selection. And then from this, you simply just want to click on Product Importer, which you should see at the top here. Next, we will need to install an extension that is going to allow us to import products straight from Temu. So just go and click on Import from Temu right here. Click on Install Google Extension. And then from here, you simply just add to Chrome. After you install the extension, you simply just want to click on Settings. Go to General, and then you just want to click on Reset Account Password. This is going to be the Dropship Man password. Add a new one, and then just go in and click on Apply. Sorry, just click on Send Code first. And now it should be sent to your email address. Simply go to your email, copy the code, paste it in here, and just click on Apply. Now that we are good to go, we simply just want to go ahead and open up the extension. And then we just want to add the account information. So the email, which is right over here, and then the password that we have just added. So once that's done, you just simply want to open up Temu. Go to any product that you want to import and click on Add to My Product List. It should say that it is added, success, and now we simply just want to go back to Shopify. From here, we simply just want to go to Product Center within the app, and we should be able to see that we have the product right here. We simply just want to click on it. From here, you are going to be able to adjust everything, including the price, the description, the product information like the title, type, all of these things. So you can just feel free to take your time, go through them, and click on Save once you're done, and List Product. And I'm just going to click on Confirm here, and we are pretty much good to go. Now, if we go to our products section from Shopify, we should be able to see the exact same product with the same title, description, inventory, and all of these things, even the images. So this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.